Okay, I'm going to cover just a couple more points about the drums in this video, and because I forgot them in the early one. But okay, we talked about how to give the drummer the style, and we talked about how to show him where the hits are in the band. One of the most important things that a drummer can do during the course of a chart is do fills. And what fills do is basically they act like a glue between sections or between phrases in a chart. So you might have an ensemble in a 4-bar phrase, they might play a 3-bar figure, and then the drummer fills that last bar, the 4th bar, to get to the next phrase. So good drummers can hear phrases, and they play with good phrasing just like an instrumentalist would. So when you have a drummer that can hear phrases and plays phrasing, keep them because they're somewhat few and far between sometimes. But pros will always be able to phrase, and the best players always play the drums just like they would a musical, a horn player or whatever. So, okay, so we talked about the drummer seeing slashes, which is the beats of time going by, and this is 4/4 time, as we mentioned before. Okay, so what you want to do is, as we mentioned before, is have the figures up top here. So maybe bop, da 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 bop, something like that. Okay, just hypothetical hits here. Okay, so the band plays this as a full band. Then the next bar, you simply tell the drummer to fill. You don't have to write out anything for him. He's just going to fill and use his skill to fill in this bar. And what you want to do is put a bracket to how far you want him to fill. And then obviously this next bar would probably be more rhythms, or maybe just the word time. Whenever you want the drummer to play simple time, you just write time. And he knows what to do, depending on the style. Now, sometimes the style will change, so I might sometimes just write and remind him that it is swing at this point. Sometimes you might have Latin to swing and stuff. So just write time, swing, and he will do that. Okay? So it's pretty straightforward for the drummer, but make sure that you are telling him where you want him to fill in or fill, because that is an important part of keeping a chart moving forward, as well as just kind of having a glue between what the rhythm section is doing and what the horn players are doing. Good drummers can make a chart sound really good. A good chart sound great. So keep in mind that we do want to keep it simple for the drummer, but give him enough information so he knows what's going on in the band. So I hope that helped you out. Just a continuation of the drums.